Hello world. How are you guys? I'm high as shit. Say no, I'm not high as shit. I don't even get fucking high as shit no more. Y'all supposed to too much fucking food. So, yeah, that's running. You like running the phone.
Chill, yo. You girl. Stop, bro.
How I'm doing? You right here. Yeah, my eyeballs look red. Like,
Hello. We just got married. Don't it look like it? No, it doesn't.
yes, it does in my head.
I was hitting that all week, like, ugh. No, I wasn't hitting it like that. I was hitting it like that. You ain't trying to bam.
He wasn't hitting it.
I know I wasn't hitting it. Period was on all fucking week. I wasn't hitting that shit. I wasn't hitting shit. You wanna know why I wasn't hitting shit? Cause this motherfucker right here, look, right there, look, her right there, look, Rex 6 foot, look, this how Rex be. That nigga right there, right there, use the motherfucking shower head. That's why she rather use the shower head than use, you know.
Alright, let me see. I'm about to go through my video in the bedroom.
Suck dick, nigga. You about to do what in the bedroom?
My video.
Hmm? Yeah.